So I'm finally trying Drunk Elephant. I got the d-bronzi anti-pollution sunshine drops and this nice little starter kit. What do I think? Well, it's only been a few days, but I'm going to give you my first impressions. Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, basically things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. If you're interested in this type of content and you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, I've heard a lot about this brand called Drunk Elephant. It's a little bit pricey. It's available at most Sephora and Ulta stores. I've just never really tried it until now. The one item that has really been getting the most buzz, a lot of TikTok videos on this, is the d-bronzi anti-pollution sunshine drops. It took me a while to find this. Most of the stores were out of it. Finally, one of the Sephora's got it in, so I bought one of these, and I also decided to try this sort of a starter kit that has samples of a bunch of the products, basically travel sizes. So today, in this video, I'm going to just give you my overall opinion of the brand and of this product in particular. Well, this kit I got, it's called the Littles, came in this box. It was $75, $108 value, comes with 6 items. The Best No. 7 Jelly Cleanser, Sea Firmer Fresh Day Serum, Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, and Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I've been able to try all of these products over the past few days, and I'm going to just give you a quick rundown. This is the cleanser. Now, according to this, if you use it at night, you don't even need a cleanser in the morning. I've used this a couple of times. It does leave my skin feel really fresh. It's a lightweight jelly cleanser. You can put it on dry or wet skin, then wet it into lather, rinse it off. It removes makeup. It is not really made for the eye area, so you're best off using a different product to remove eye makeup, but it really helps to get off the rest of your makeup. Some days I can use this at night and just use water in the morning. Other times I'll just put a little touch of it on my face in the morning as well. It is a really good cleanser. It has cantaloupe glycerin in it. A lot of natural ingredients in these products. So anyway, that's the cleanser. Another morning thing. This was kind of interesting because you actually had to mix these two together to create the serum. I'm guessing it may get stale or something after mixing. So, but I've been using it for about a week and it's still in pretty good condition. You have to shake it before using every time. It's a little pump. Overall, I do find this a nice serum. I don't know whether, considering the cost of it, I don't know whether it's that much better from other serums from brands like The Ordinary or this Timeless brand, which is also fairly affordable. There are a lot of others that I think are just as good and maybe a little less expensive. This is the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I've been using this at night before the night serum, after cleansing my face, before the night serum and the peptide cream. It's a nice oil. I don't know whether it's significantly better than less expensive options. I like this night serum a lot. It does feel very rich, very firming. I'm not sure it is the best in the business, but it is very, very good. This polypeptide cream, I like this a lot. It is a lightweight, great for a day moisturizer. Usually at night, I like to put maybe a slightly thicker night cream as well, or a leave-on cream after using this. And of course, this is the sunscreen. I like this a lot. It reminds me quite a bit of like the Supergoop sunscreens, which are also in the sort of the same price category. But yeah, it's a very good SPF 30 broad spectrum sunscreen and moisturizer. So now on to these. This is the d-bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. This is the only one that did not come as part of the kit. This was $38. It's available at Sephora and Ulta. And it came with this Le Retro Whipped Cream Rescue Recovery. This is just one of the samples that was not in there. So I'm using this to mix it with, but you apparently can mix it with any of the others, the peptide cream, the sunscreen, or the oil. I'll just put it in the base of my hand, palm of my hand. It's not very much of this, but just a little bit is all you need. And you shake this up really good. And put just a couple of drops in here. 2 drops. And mix it together really well. So it forms just a slightly bronze looking base cream. And then just rub that into my skin. Nicely rub it all around the base and the neck. And you notice it's just a slight bronzy color. It doesn't really change the color of your skin. It just makes it look like you've been in the sun a little bit. And you've got a little bit of a natural tan, a natural glow. Okay, I'm gonna let this set for a minute and then put on my makeup, and then I'll be right back. I've used other types of drops as well as other just bronzers, everything else. The results on this, it's very subtle. It doesn't instantly make you look like you've been out in the sun for a month and give you that much of a tan, but it does give you a nice, subtle, bronzy glow. And it's great. I tend to use it before and then use a really lightweight foundation afterwards. I used the Laura Mercier foundation today, but I only used a couple of drops. Very, very light application of foundation. You could probably, if you're comfortable not wearing foundation, you could probably just use this with the moisturizer, mix with the moisturizer, and you've gotten that overall glow. It is something you must mix it with a moisturizer. It does come on too dark and probably would come on a bit splotchy if you tried just applying it by itself. So yeah, I think this is a good product. I don't know whether it's really significantly better than other bronzers or other creams with a slight tint to them or sunless tanners whatsoever. But yeah, it is good, but is it the best? Not really sure about that. So anyway, if you're interested in trying the brand, this is a great way to go because you do get to sample a lot of the products. So far, I like Drunk Elephant, but it hasn't really wowed me so much that it's going to be my #1 brand of choice. I don't know whether I'm going to buy any more of these once I give out, but I am going to use these while I've got them. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, could you give me a thumbs up? Also, is there a brand that you've been wanting to try and that you would recommend that I try? If so, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.